What the actual fuck?
It's on the
Tina,
counter.
please tell me they didn't. What?
Oh, it's all over the counter too.
Did they shred our fucking bed again?
Oh no, that's a pillow.
What fucking pillow?
The one that doesn't exist anymore.
Oh my god. Listen here, you motherfuckers. Go lay down. Holy fuck. Y'all had